saying you like white bread. White.
Yes, white
or green bread.
Which green bread do I talk about?
I'm buying. Alright, so you see. The way that I ignite. To the city, my nigga, been known, my nigga, I told her no cap. Where's my city from dead, my nigga, I told her no Oglala. Twana, la uyazu tina sepanda.
Aye, money producer and Coco Kumo.
Fresh to the money, my nigga, I'm on peak, my nigga, you know, used to sleep on the floor. Now in 20 getting money, my nigga, you know that the money I'm going so high. All of the puzzles said I can make it, my nigga, you know this is just my time. I am the kill of the killers, my nigga, you know that I did it without evidence. Put me a chick in the room, they thought that a nigga, I was really gonna live it. Nigga, I told her, did it. I'm shabang. I'm back again with another video. Yeah. I told you, Mbugeli, Yimba Fet Paptastes Bafeto Putilis Lingua Puma Isluan Islepira Sadi. Don't forget to subscribe, Mbugeli. I'm even sleeping down, Buffet. Guess what you're going to be doing today? Ufumba was, why would you want to know? Watch the video till the end. This was funny. Today I'm not alone, Buffet.
What up, YouTube boy? How are kids? Two faces, one truth. I'm feeling it, you know, I'm killing it. Let's catch the vibe and get this vlog started.
Bra, you the cameraman. How are you going to introduce yourself? Bra, like
cameraman today.
Bra,
hey yo, what's happening, guys?
How tall are you? 2 feet?
Yo. I'm feeling. Hey yo, thanks thinking about to guys. Man, this guy, you know the vibes, you know the banger. Yes, sir. So into this video, guys,
just close the door and you go, bra.
Yo,
bra, we going, we vying. Bra, okay, so don't let them close, don't show them, bra. So yeah, man. So yeah, out here, ne? You should speak with us. Bra, we going, come, bra. Why are you there? Bra, we going. The everything just started. So, bra, tell the chat what's happening.
Yo, chat.
Popping.
Yo, chat. Yo, chat.
Bra, you must run, bra.
Yo, chat.
Bra, my gents, we going now. There was this year, we don't even know, bra. We are just going to. But look at the place, bra. Now, it's like when
yo, chat.
It's like
Me rush, I don't.
you don't want to rush, bra. You want to take everything slow, bra.
Running like.
Bra. So tell them what's your favorite DC at the moment.
The one for Mark Zuckerberg, Benzo Mapenito, you know it. This one, we start like this.
This
you know, guys.
So guys, it's young vlog me and I'm taking a walk.
Yeah, man.
We wanna go to the shops now.
We're going to buy a car.
Yeah. We are working on 50. Yeah.
2 series.
2 series. Now we had to go buy a car that is full. Yeah. They should know that the car we can buy it. Andila lifungu skoma mantombazana ngithi samba ngenyawo. Okay, bra. Let's go buy a car. Mara why lithando yenza ngathi lizolala le moto yona le. When you know ukuthi yabulala lo muntu ayimoto, bra. You shouldn't act like that. Thina singabantu sonke singabantu, but this is not a lesson.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You know
yes, bra.
The
Don't
vibe.
forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the movie, guys. That's right. So yeah.
Ingri, bra. Wait. Let's cut here, bra.
Let's pause.
Yeah. So tell the people like, bra, how are we coping with this type of environment, bra?
Like what?
Because now we used to ejozo papa corner. I understand that, bra. How do you copy, bra?
I don't copa grand, Joe. Like I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
Things that I like about this place, ne? It's quiet.
Bra, are you sure anything is up?
Yeah?
Are you a vend?
But anyways, so yeah, Sasho, it's like it's a quiet place, no?
Yeah.
For which we are abanga grand,
Yeah.
like the environment. Agwalanga.
Agcwalanga bra.
Imoto lezi ziyakhenga nje.
Agcwalanga,
Mara like
bra.
akugcwalanga yonke indawo and stuff, yabo.
Yeah.
So and yacabanga Grandi and ish okunye yini ntanga. Mara the boring part ne, it's hard to hustle this side, man. It's not like choosing, man.
Yeah, it's hard.
Like when you choose ntwana bengihasila kamnandi.
Budilo bra ufake ipenda ngolila. Bra is very hard to have.
Yeah, it's
Like
hard.
sometimes it's
So ntanga it's kind of quick. Hey,
When what do you wanna know keys, bra?
Honestly, I don't have questions.
You don't have questions.
I just wanna enjoy the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Then I'm ahead, you know, guys.
You're ahead, bra.
Yeah.
How many hours are you ahead?
2 hours. 2 hours ahead.
Bro,
I'm
say UK, bra. The nigga is in UK, man. It's UK, bra. Bra, you crusty kanje. I didn't see myself, bra. Dream car! That is a dream car, bra. That one is my dream car, and I'm going to buy it.
Catch feelings, cause if you catch feelings,
No,
you get hurt.
no, but I don't.
Yeah,
You know
catch what?
You see, gents like us with discipline.
Bra, when I catch my feelings.
Discipline makes you
Mana,
rich.
bra, usa catch my feelings.
Discipline makes you rich.
Bra,
guys.
usa catch my feelings.
That's one thing you
To be
should know.
honest, bra, usa catch my feelings. Good girl.
No, I don't.
Usa catch.
Nah.
Bra, guys, kids gasa catch my feelings. If my so should I announce it to okay, my children I'll touch it serious.
No. Serious. No, they should take me serious.
They should take you serious,
Yeah.
ne?
Because
Okay.
I don't know the process. Through the process, I can tell whether the girl is serious
Yeah.
or
Or
not
not.
serious.
Or no serious. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I mean, the problem is like, chat, I was serious, like being very serious when it came to our girl, ne? But now,
Usasikhuluma. Mina I have something for you.
yakwazi vumbuza wona na pay, bra. I know, bra. And she be probably watching this.
No, like Anna.
Okay, ask, bra. Ask, bra. Yeah.
Tell us, Ntana.
Okay. Yes.
I-
Buza, bra. Don't be scared, bra.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Like, Pela, Nana Pay was my ex.
Yeah,
How
I
did
know,
you feel
bra.
of like, okay, my boys, yeah.
Okay,
We're not
bra.
dating my ex.
Okay, I knew she was your ex, ne?
Yeah.
But by that time in life, bra, I didn't even mind ukuthi abantu bathini, bra. Yabo.
So like, what happened between you and her?
No, it was like
ngiyabona
weird,
epichi
off, bra.
ubhaleni phansi.
Okay, all right, okay. Indaba ye-beach, bra. Okay, I still remember le ndaba ye-beach, bra. Bra, ibe serious into it, you understand?
and then what
But
happened?
then ne kube nama ups and downs, on and
Because of
offs,
what?
because
Social media.
yes, because of his social media, bra. Yabo. So I could say I lost it through his social media, and after I lost it, bra, I've never been officially in a fucking relationship, and so
You have.
we do, bra.
Samara.
Oh, I can't count, bra. I can't count, bra.
One thing I'll say-
Okay, man.
One thing I'll tell you guys, discipline makes you rich. Love makes you broke. So you need to choose. You need to know your lane.
Bra, my feelings are khona. Mina, that's the one thing
Yeah,
I hate.
feelings are involved, but you must think of put yourself first. Yeah,
Yeah, it's-
before you put someone
first.
Yeah.
first,
Before you put
you know,
someone's
you need to
daughter
understand the consequences of
Can't put someone
having.
Okay, mina I want love. What I can say right now to y'all ne is chat
Like-
umuntu obheka ivideo le maye khona obonaka ukuthi uzokhona ukungihendla emanage emphathe fresh. We good, bra. We good, bra. We good.
Guys,
Where do we go,
entered
bra?
the,
Yeah.
It's called what?
Is
Dane Square.
Dane Free Square.
guys, where did you see the name?
Dane Free.
Uthi ngiyokuyenza yini?
Chat.
Ngiyokuyenza yini?
We can't buy kudle wethu.
Hey yo, chat.
He's not used to it. You're not used to it.
Hey yo, chat.
Yo chat, let me tell you something.
Hey,
Bra,
Chat.
why is emotweni, bra? Do you want us to buy cars?
I know you said you want to buy.
Okay, I'd forgotten.
Which car do you want?
Okay, bra. I'm still thinking of the car, guys. The car that we want. But I want a car. I want like a normal car. Bra, I haven't seen it. Cartoon, bra.
Mina like I want the machiwa konyana yang tall.
Oh, you want a Chihuahua?
Yeah. A Chihuahua. That's my future car, you know.
If you want it, you can get it, man.
Yeah.
If you want it, you can get it.
Dream Jeep.
If you want it, you can get it. Okay. Why? Abavumeli ku.
Oh no.
Okay, bruh. What are we picking? What are we picking, bruh? I want to know, bruh.
Me, I'm into white
Bruh.
bread. I don't like brown bread.
Okay, give Keys the phones. Go shoot the Keys. When you saying you like white bread, white
Yes, white
or
bread.
cream bread.
No, which cream bread are you talking about?
Okay, bruh. We taking the white
Like-
bread.
Like,
Okay, my chances this was zenzinga kanan. Do you want extra small or medium or full or large food?
this guy is too much.
Okay, me I'm a heavy eater, bruh. I think we're going to take the medium. Yeah,
So we're going to take 2 bread.
yes. Guys, do you love Sasko? If you love Sasko, comment Sasko there. Then I think ozohlana la estradini zomthengela iSasko. But Remakuleni, they always have the
Can we continue what we are doing? Let's take the bread and go.
Please continue, ma'am.
Because you won't finish talking. Like,
Okay. Yes. A giveaway. Take like 100 rand. We'll multiply it.
Like we buy like this stuff, right?
Yeah.
And then actually it's like helping people outside.
We donate.
Yeah.
But I haven't seen Amapara lately, bruh. I haven't seen Amapara lately, bruh. I haven't seen people that are
so you need
desperate.
to be aware of
Bruh,
That's
no,
what you're saying.
it's like in Dali, bruh, too expensive. Ever since I came, Angaboni, it's like abantu abadubeka bahlale eJozi. Like I don't understand, bruh. Guys, what are we looking for here, bruh?
What are we
Martins, we can't be touring the whole show. Yeah, I saw that on ChatGPT 5 they were talking about Amavianas, bruh. But who's going to fry? Who's going to fry, man? Who's going to fry?
I can't do that. Yeah. Well, fry.
Bruh, can you fry? Me, guys, I don't trust this,
A
bruh.
few moments later.
We want the last number, guys.
I don't know what you're thinking of.
What are we thinking of, Chelsea? What are we buying?
Isn't there 4 liters?
No, 45 is too much, bro. What's your problem?
Hey, guys, did you see this vlog about you? The guy who told the girl that she wanted to take her out on a date, and then when they went out on a date, the guy bought for the girl the Kingsley Lekot. Hey, I think we need to do it, bruh. Okay, let's take one, bruh. Yeah.
Guys, you just passed there. Sprite is cold and it's Sprite is cold. So why are you looking so confused, bro?
These bros are saying confused. Skadleso, they are opening the fridge and closing the fridges. Bruh, how many liters do you want?
Take it Fanta once.
Ifranta, bruh. Ifra.
So what is it?
I'm saying this.
Ifranta.
Oh, he's playing.
It's a Franta. Okay, so.
What can you buy again?
This dude is not okay.
Okay, guys, okay, check. We have 2 liter Fanta, 2 breads. What do we need, bruh?
What else should we get? I don't know what you're thinking of, guys.
We have carbohydrates and fizzy stuff with no protein.
You know, guys, the gents are shopping.
Yeah. I was even shocked, bruh. There was a moment of being.
Should we add noodles?
Eh?
Should we add noodles?
Amanucleus.
Yeah.
Lizwapega.
Yeah, we can cook.
Oh.
We need to make something fun.
We can
different.
put nucleus esinkweni.
Yeah, you can also do that.
People don't talk about this recipe, but bayithanda. We are taking amanucleus. Yeah. Bruh. A6, bruh. It's cheap, bruh.
This one is too much.
This is too hot, bruh. When you go to the toilet, you must go with 2 liters water.
Should we buy this one or Lama 111?
Let's buy. What do you think? A pack, bruh.
I think
1.
too much.
How many, bruh? Where are the 1s here?
We're playing a game.
Yeah, so it's 1-1.
Do you know where the 1s are? Yeah, I mean, Hey, show them the boy.
This guy is close.
Bruh. Right. Let's see, bruh. Bruh, almost made us. Let's go shopping. What if there are cameras? Okay, guys, let's shop fast. People, check now. We must shop fast. Kunjo man, just show these ones are to umphakathi. Bruh, which ones are better, bruh?
Check this one. You don't know this one.
Which one do you like, bruh? No, bruh, the lucky star.
No, I don't care about that stuff.
What did you get there? Yeah. We should buy, ne?
Okay, what else?
Let's buy, bruh.
What are we buying now?
To make it, we need to make this game like.
Nah, no more Vianas. We'll put nucleus. Where is the kill point? Do you want the Vianas?
Eggs.
Bruh, do you want the Vianas?
What about eggs?
Bruh, don't know how this is, bruh. Ufuni Viana, bruh. Bruh, sifake zinyo ethu. Okay, bruh. This thing is funny, bruh. Let me tell you something about this thing. Mawusayiqala, bruh. Kuyangathi uyedi. Sometimes shooting content, guys, is not easy. It's not even easy.
It's not pop and verse.
It's not pop and voice, bruh. And when it comes to the editing part, that's the most part that I hate, bruh. So how many are we picking? Okay, ama chips, Tachanama chips, guys. Take chips. Bruh, Tachanama chips, bruh.
Any amount. You know, guys, I'm with the boys today. Like, I'm spending time with the boys. Yeah, the boys. We are the boys. Should I say the females? Or should I say the boys? The boys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Guys, you know this guy Steve is a clown. Try to be. Yeah. You see today this is discipline. He's trying to be disciplined, but he's not disciplined.
No, as in, I mean, I'm super disciplined.
Super disciplined, tell them, bro.
I'm disciplined. You can even see my hair, bruh. It's disciplined. Now we're buying our chips, bruh. I was selling Nuele Kanda, bruh. Like, what's happening?
Hey, dog, ever since you met this boy, tell me.
Bruh, that boy after 40 years, Nuele, bruh.
Yeah, Papa. Yeah, Papa.
He's full of jokes, this guy.
That's fine, bruh. That's fine, bruh. No eggs. Mathias, you guys, you like food?
No.
No, my stomach has changed. It's changed right now. No, I want an energy drink. Let's go. I've thought, yeah, to boost myself for energy. Bruh, do you take supplements? Alright, no, bruh. Bruh doesn't take supplements. But I love these boys, these two boys. Even this short one, bruh. Bruh, please show, do them your intro, bruh.
How?
That intro.
Hey, thank you for guys. To point your man, there's this guy, you know the vibes, you know the banger.
You see what I was saying? You see what I was saying?
What's that?
You see what I? It's Obandi Vai, Obandi Ham.
Wait, we just left them back.
Nah,
Camera, we can also do it like this thing.
they must be looking for Abaqan. No, today I feel like Dragon, bruh. And I know this editing is gonna cost me.
We want to take over.
Yeah, bro?
You understand?
Yeah, guys,
Like
make sure.
the economy, guys, is like growing a little bit by bit.
Guys, make sure you do what I said. Ningeke kameri. I just said that. But today I'm gonna drink.
What are you saying, guys?
No, I was saying something, and
But
saying
you
something.
ended up not saying it.
Yes, they know. Did you get the eggs?
No, we left them that side. We need to get them.
I'm sure the owner. The driver
doesn't have
experience. Bruh, your TV didn't fall. It was the drive. Please don't break the TV, guys. I think since the almost the hour, bruh, and we haven't done what we want to show the people
you can't just
we are
show
about to done.
Then you die.
Like the things that we want to done now is not done
Here
yet.
are the eggs, James. I don't know where it's going.
Bruh, come, bruh.
Here are the eggs. No, now.
Bruh, what type of eggs are these? Easter eggs, bruh.
Oh, when they want the ones with names. I thought we were gonna buy the ones with no name.
I value no name.
Bruh, these were the same eggs, bruh.
Yeah, but now
Do
we
you
have.
know how much was it?
Yeah, so now we have eggs,
Okay, so now we have eggs.
noodles, we have bread, we have chips, and we have a 2-liter cold drink.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Okay, let's go for. Now we're going for the checkout. Hey, yo, shit. As time goes on, I'm going to take these proteins.
No, he's crazy. He's not gonna do that.
Bruh, I wanna be a muscular gent. All my exes, I want them big, bruh. Hey, yo, shit. So right now, not wasting your time. We're just going to check out these things, and then after we check out these things, we'll continue the vlog when we at home, bruh. I'm telling you, bruh. Yeah, we're going.
TikTok, TikTok.
Yeah, we're going to. Sorry. Bruh, please don't cut the video again.
No, it's a mistake.
Alright.
Intentional.
So meanwhile, bruh.
You know, guys.
So meanwhile, when we are still
now
on the line, bruh. So, bruh, Keys, who's your favorite ex, bruh?
My favorite ex. But why do you ask me those kind of questions, dog? You always ask me those questions. I don't know why.
The bruh was thinking the favorite, bruh.
I don't have a favorite ex. That's what I would say.
You don't have a favorite. Bruh.
Yeah. Do you have a favorite? Nah, Antoine, you see,
don't have,
You like involving feelings.
Bruh,
Get her.
where's Shakira, bruh?
She's there.
Bruh, the Shakira. I'm coming for you. But not I'm coming. She's coming for me.
What do you say?
Bruh, who's Shakira?
The life, guys.
Yo, guys.
You know, okay.
Trying to live a life.
We're not trying. We're living a life. Okay.
Supposed to believe. That's why I'm gonna still pushing.
Bra wants to be ghost cube. Hey, ghost. Hey, y'all guys. Bra, I'll take plastic.
This doesn't mind.
Okay, guys, I think we're starting to offer him. Says Kulumama plastic. Yeah, guys, you see us essentially.
Are you ready, my?
The meal, bra. We're ready to chow.
So yeah, guys.
Ready.
You know the vibes. Shopping, come see.
We're ready to chow the meal.
You know the vibes.
So guys, on this game we're gonna be playing. You said rock paper scissors.
Yeah, it's kind of like a rock paper scissors game,
Okay.
Yeah.
right? So you'll see. Let's just get in.
Okay, let's jump to it. So how do you
The challenge is like, okay, sonke spakisandla lana.
Okay, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
License. Ne, sit 1, 2, 3 shoot, and then
Then shoot ne.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 1, 2, 3 shoot.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Man, before we start.
Yeah.
So we touched that.
Yeah, we touched
thing.
this one.
Hey, the wall.
This first one.
Yeah.
this
All
one.
right. Sure. That's
Okay, guys.
Bra, I'm hungry, bra.
Guys,
Bra, open this Sprite, bra.
about to start.
It's fine.
All right.
Take your time. You should have my neck.
All right.
Listen.
I'm ready, guys. I wanna
Alright.
destroy them. I wanna destroy
Okay,
them.
so 3, 2, 1. Ne.
Hey.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yini na?
Hi, bra.
okay, what's
It's
the
me, bra.
It's
Wait,
not you.
wait,
Babe,
bra.
babe.
What happens? Oh, so if
Mina mangi you-1.
usele phansi,
Hey.
then lina mali hamba li-2 ngisele ngi-1.
Ngiyagijima.
Now I get it. Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm telling you one about
Bra, fa ukudla phansi, bra. Ah, no. Wait, bra. Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1, go. Bra, angadli, bra. 3, 2, 1, go.
Pera. 3, 2, 1, go.
Manin, I did.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'll poop it.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 2, 1, go.
Akude. 3, 2, 1, go. Akude.
Woza, no.
Let's move it. Sonke sila.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ngiyavayana.
Alright, see.
3, 2, 1, go. Hamba.
Sinsankahle. Ayiqanda sokusele 1. Hayi, iqanda leli kumele libe ngena. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Hayi kukhwaba yo. Bheka le kahle kakhulu.
Woza.
Siphalaza ba. Bro, kan
Phuza. Bra. Ngidala mina udlathi.
Bra almost collapse. Bra, okay guys, I think this is a
Hamba lahla.
Bra, mbilahla, bra. Guys, the nigga almost collapsed, bra. Get this video, bra, to 3K likes at least. Dude. Dude.
Usakhona ikemini.
Bra, is still there. I almost died.
Into le serious mos.
Amaqanda lawana benguwe.
Ifake 3.
Hayi, ifake amaqanda ayi3.
Let's
Ingetha ijuice ngathi gijima.
3, 2, 1, go. Hamba.
Ima kancane wabo. Okay, 3 2 1 go. 3 2 1 go.
Hambani.
Oh, bra.
Okay. 3 2 1 go.
Hambani.
Nasha. Yo. Okay. Ai.
Mike.
Yo.
Okay.
Ikaw.
3 2 1 go. Hambani.
Pe. Mina
Ngambe phansi ngambe phezulu bila uhamba.
3 2 1 go. 3 2 1 go. Alright.
Sini 3 2 1 go.
Hayi manje ngiyamuva. 3 2 1 go. 3 2 1 go.
Hambani. Alright, so easy.
Bra, so it's
Bra, the meal has been demolished.
Okay. 3 2 1 go. 3 2 1 go. 3 2 1 go.
Tapani chai nge common sense.
Okay. 3 2 1 go.
Hayi.
Stop. Pause. Okay. Okay. Boys. 3 2 1 go.
Yeah, it's my turn now.
Do I good? 3 2 1 go. 3 2 1 go.
It's been a while ngadli.
I've been running. Take exercise, bro.
Come here. 3 2 1 go.
Manini sami sandla si-clean ezenzisa uthi ukudla. Bra. Samveni. 3 2 1 go. Hambani.
You're still recording. Go.
3 2 1 go.
Hambani.
3 2 1 go.
3 2 1 go.
Ay, Matthias.
Was. 3 2 1 go.
Ay, kup.
Baba was 3 2 1 go. 3 2 1 go. Hambani.
How many times have you ate? How many times have you ate, bruh?
No.
Who has the most leads? 3 2 1 go. Bruh, don't need you. Bruh, bese sifikile waya na.
Ngolisa phansi.
Okay, so dope.
Ngolisa phansi.
We'll pick up now, bruh. The best way. But go to bese sifikile, bruh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, mase sifikile bra.
Izinto zakaba manje zidanga.
Ama-Chiefs.
Ama-Chiefs ayasifika yini?
Ama-Chiefs, how are they surviving?
Uyabona nje achama Russian wonke.
Nami ngafuna sika.
Ngithola iqanda lokugcina.
Ngizethu mina.
Asenzeni last 3 matches.
3-2 go.
Hambani.
Udlele itswayi. Idle kwakhe itswayi. Alright.
Sakhuluma ngama-Chiefs.
Alright.
Hayi. 3-2 go.
Hambani baba.
Okay. 3-2 go.
Hambani.
Shit. Hey, what was that? Okay. Okay. What's that? See it.
It's not gonna give him energy. Hayi asikelile.
Hayi asiye.
Bra uyabona.
Good day. That's good day. 3-2 go.
Fine. My lucky day. After this game, I'm out.
Okay. 3-2 go.
Hambani.
Shit.
Yeah, bro.
So yeah, guys.
Mara ya. Kaje.
Guys,
Chenza.
the food is.
Chai.
It's chai. It's chai. So guys, make sure you drop that comment, that like, bruh. Like,
Guys, who won?
bruh, who won, bruh? I think I need to rewatch it when we drop it, bruh.
Yeah.
Who do you think won, bruh?
15.
Bruh, what can you say, bruh? How many likes for this video, dog?
50k likes, guys.
50k, bruh.
I can't pass out.
Eh?
What happened? You passed out now.
Bruh, you almost died.
3x, bro.
So 3x, bruh, I died.
This guy saw 3x same time.
Same time. Bruh.
He knows that he has a small mouth, but he swallowed.
I was
3x.
thinking of calling an emergency call doctor. So yeah, guys, let us know, guys, on the comment section whether you like the video. Get it to 50,000 likes. 50k.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, okay?
Guys,
Sinkhathele, bruh.
Do the most, guys, ne? Do the most.
thanks for watching, guys.
Love you.
Thank you. One love.
What's up, guys? I was thinking of it going to Benjamin and Sky. As you guys can see, it's Chai. Hey, Baba. Hey, did I pass out? I can't give a fight. I passed out. But like, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below. Bano we need it. It's all. Who ate the most extra? That was thank you. Peace out.